Hello everyone, my name is Gohar Shah from Wisdom School of Accountancy and I'm a tutor of F1, F8, AAA and SPR for ACCA. There is a new news in the market of ACCA that ACCA is going to launch their own study material for the purpose of examination and the students are very confused. The students have many questions in their mind and have confused themselves because they are not understanding the situation correctly. The new material is going to be launched in the market and will be available for the students from 1st July 2023. It will be available on your My ACCA accounts and your study hub. But this new material will not be applicable until 1st of August 2023. This gives you a whole 1 year window to understand the study material. So the students who are attempting the exams in September 2023 or December 2023 and even in June and March 2024, this new material will not be applicable to them. But still the students have two questions in their mind. The question one is that whether this new material will outdate the previous materials such as Kaplan and BPP. And the question two is whether this new material means that ACCA is going to change the syllabus. Is ACCA going to change the way the questions are asked in the exams? I'm going to answer these two simple questions for the students. Question one, whether this new material is going to change the way we used the previous books, which were the Kaplan or the BPP or any notes which your tutors gave you. A simple answer is no. Why? Because if we talk about the current situation, even Kaplan and BPP are the only approved learning materials from ACCA, but still many of the students and majorly all of the students currently use the study materials of their teachers, lecturers or the tuition providers, and still they manage to pass their exam and not just pass their exams, but they are able to pass their exams with flying colors and very high marks. So when ACCA introduces this new study material and when it will be applicable from 1st of August 2024, this would simply mean that the ACCA is saying that only our material is the approved material from now onwards and Kaplan and BPP will not be the approved ones. But still the students can use the Kaplan kits, the BPP kits, the Kaplan study text and the BPP study text to prepare for their exams. But let's come to the question number two. The question number two is very simple. Whether this new material means that ACCA is going to change the syllabus, whether the ACCA is going to change the way the questions are asked in exams. We have a very prior news and we all know that SBR question number 1 has been changed by ACCA. The way of asking the question has changed. We have seen that ACCA has changed questions in SBL, the way they ask questions. We have now seen that ACCA is changing SBR, the way they ask the SBR questions. This is the reason why ACCA is introducing new study material of their own. Using this new study material, students will be able to well prepare for exams and the way the questions are going to be asked in the exams. You will have prepared questions, you will have kit questions, you will have practicable questions in the study material which will be given to you by ACCA. Hence, you will be able to practice for the exam very well. And this is the reason why ACCA is introducing its own material into the market. A simple answer to all the confusion and to all the questions is that ACCA will just be another competitor in the market for ACCA material. Before ACCA material, students used to buy Kaplan and BPP books and kits. And they also used to get written notes from their lecturers and tutors. But now students will have another option that they will be able to use ACCA material. And yes, the material of ACCA will be preferred, but it does not simply mean that Kaplan kits and BPP kits cannot be used to pass your exams. They will still be usable and students can still use them to understand and to give their exams. Thank you.